Planet A is introduced as a vibrant and colorful celestial body. The uppercase letter A is visually presented alongside the planet. The lowercase letter A is then displayed, completing the introduction of the letter in both forms. An astronaut is a person trained to travel and work in space. Astronauts explore space to gather scientific data and expand human knowledge. Space exploration requires specialized training and advanced technology. Spacesuits protect astronauts from extreme temperatures encountered in space. The spacesuit's multi-layered design provides thermal insulation against both intense heat and cold. Without spacesuits, astronauts would be unable to survive the temperature extremes of space environment. Planet B, a vibrant blue planet, is introduced as the visual focus. The uppercase letter B is displayed prominently, floating in front of planet B. The lowercase letter b is shown alongside the uppercase B, reinforcing letter recognition. A booster is a component that provides additional thrust to help a rocket during its initial ascent. Boosters increase the overall thrust, enabling the rocket to overcome gravity and reach higher altitudes. After use, boosters are often detached from the main rocket body to reduce weight and improve efficiency. Rocket boosters are often designed for reuse, reducing space mission costs. Reusability involves advanced technologies in guidance, control, and materials science. The process of booster recovery includes controlled descent, precise landing, and refurbishment for subsequent flights. Planet C is a celestial body in space. The letter C is introduced in its uppercase form. The letter C is introduced in its lowercase form. A constellation is a group of stars. Constellations are patterns of stars as seen from a particular viewpoint. Stars in a constellation are not necessarily close to each other in space. Constellations were historically used for navigation purposes. By observing constellations, navigators could determine their position and direction. The consistent patterns of stars provided a reliable reference for early explorers. Planet D is a celestial body characterized by its dark surface. The uppercase D is a capital letter representing the planet's name. The lowercase is a smaller version of the letter, also representing the planet. A diamond is a rare mineral found on the surface of planet D. Diamonds are precious due to their rarity and unique physical properties. The value of a diamond is determined by its cut, clarity, color, and carat. Some asteroids are theorized to contain diamonds within their structure. The formation of diamonds in asteroids is linked to high-pressure conditions during their creation. These diamonds could potentially be mined in the future for industrial or technological application. Planet E is visually represented as a shining celestial body. The uppercase letter E is introduced as a distinct visual element. The lowercase letter e complements the uppercase, showcasing both forms. Earth is a planet, and it is the home planet. Earth supports diverse ecosystems and a wide variety of life forms. Earth's atmosphere and magnetic field protect it from harmful solar radiation. Earth is the only known planet confirmed to harbor life. The unique conditions on Earth support a diverse range of ecosystems. Scientific exploration continues to search for life beyond Earth. The letter F is introduced in its uppercase form. The letter F is also presented in its lowercase form. Both uppercase and lowercase f represent the sounds and symbols associated with planet F. A flare is defined as a sudden burst of energy. Flares release energy in the form of electromagnetic radiation. Flares can be observed across the electromagnetic spectrum. Solar flares are sudden releases of energy from the sun's surface. These flares can disrupt communication systems on planets. The disruption is caused by electromagnetic interference. Planet G is a gaseous planet. The uppercase letter G is introduced. The lowercase letter g is introduced. A galaxy is a massive, gravitationally bound system consisting of stars, stellar remnants, interstellar gas, dust, and dark matter. Galaxies vary significantly in size, shape, and composition, ranging from dwarf galaxies to giant ellipticals. Gravity is the fundamental force that holds a galaxy together, maintaining its structure and governing the motion of its constituents. The Milky Way is the galaxy that contains our solar system. The Milky Way appears as a hazy band of light in the night sky due to its disk-like structure. The Milky Way is a barred spiral galaxy, characterized by a central bar-shaped structure. Planet H is shrouded in a hazy atmosphere. The uppercase letter H is introduced. The lowercase letter h is introduced alongside the uppercase HH. The Hubble Space Telescope is a space telescope. Hubble orbits outside the Earth's atmosphere to obtain clear images of space. Hubble's high-resolution images have contributed significantly to our understanding of the universe. The Hubble Space Telescope has captured stunning images of the universe. Hubble's advanced optics reveals celestial objects with unparalleled clarity. These images provide valuable insights into the cosmos, expanding our understanding of the universe. Planet I is a celestial body characterized by its icy composition and distinct planetary features. The uppercase letter I is visually represented as a tall, straight line with serifs at the top and bottom. The lowercase letter I consists of a shorter straight line with a dot positioned directly above it. Interstellar refers to the space between stars. Interstellar space is the physical region existing between stars within a galaxy. The interstellar medium consists of gas, cosmic rays, and dust. Interstellar travel is currently beyond our reach. Current technological limitations prevent humans from traversing interstellar distances. The immense distances and energy requirements pose significant challenges to interstellar travel. Planet J is a jovial celestial body in space. The uppercase letter J is introduced. The lowercase letter j complements the uppercase J. Jupiter is classified as a gas giant due to its primary composition of gases. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system, dwarfing all other planets in size. The planet's immense size and gaseous nature contribute to its unique atmospheric phenomena. Jupiter is characterized by a prominent great red spot, which is in fact a persistent anticyclonic storm. The Great Red Spot is a long-lived high-pressure region in Jupiter's atmosphere, producing immense swirling winds. This Jovian storm has been observed for centuries, demonstrating its remarkable stability and scale. Planet Ka is a kaleidoscopic world of vibrant colors and unique landscapes. The uppercase K is presented as a towering monolith, symbolizing strength and stability. The lowercase k is shown as a playful, curved form, representing flexibility and adaptability. The Kuiper Belt is a region of the solar system beyond the orbit of Neptune. The Kuiper Belt contains numerous icy bodies, remnants from the solar system's formation. The Kuiper Belt is the source of short-period comets. The Kuiper Belt is a region beyond Neptune's orbit containing numerous icy objects. These icy objects in the Kuiper Belt are remnants from the solar system's formation. The composition of Kuiper Belt objects is primarily ice, including water, methane, and ammonia. Planet L is a luminous celestial body. The uppercase LV is a vertical line with a horizontal line at the bottom. The lowercase l is a simple vertical line. The term lunar specifically denotes attributes, properties, or phenomena related to Earth's moon. Lunar characteristics include its gravitational effects, surface composition, and orbital mechanics. Scientific study of the moon, lunar missions, and lunar calendars are all examples of lunar-related subjects. The first lunar landing occurred in 1969. This event marked a significant milestone in human space exploration. The lunar landing was a culmination of scientific innovation and engineering achievement. Planet M is a metallic planet. The letter M is introduced in uppercase. The letter min is introduced in lowercase. A moon orbits a planet due to gravitational forces. The moon's orbit is a continuous path around the planet. The Earth also has a moon that orbits it. The moon exhibits phases due to its orbit around a planet. Lunar phases are determined by the changing angles at which we view the moon's illuminated surface. The sequence of lunar phases repeats in a cyclical pattern. Planet N is a celestial body characterized by its nebulous atmosphere. The uppercase N is visually represented as a geometric shape with two vertical lines connected by a diagonal line. The lowercase n consists of a short vertical stroke and an attached curved arc. A nebula is an interstellar cloud, primarily composed of gas and dust. Nebulae serve as stellar nurseries, regions where new stars are born. Nebulae are formed from the remnants of supernovae, or the diffuse matter in interstellar space. Nebulae are frequently the birthplaces of stars. These stellar nurseries provide the raw materials and conditions necessary for star formation. The intense radiation and stellar winds from young stars sculpt the surrounding nebula. Planet O is a spherical celestial body. The letter O exists in both uppercase and lowercase forms. The uppercase O is a larger version of the lowercase o. An orbit is the path an object takes around another object in space. The orbiting object is continuously influenced by the gravitational pull of the planet. The speed and distance of the orbiting object determine its orbital path. Planets follow orbital paths around the sun due to gravitational forces. The sun's gravitational pull maintains the planets in their respective orbit. Orbital speed varies depending on a planet's distance from the sun. Planet P is introduced as a purple-colored planet. The uppercase letter P is displayed prominently. The lowercase letter p is introduced alongside the uppercase version. A planet is a celestial body orbiting a star. Planets follow elliptical paths around their stars due to gravitational forces. The orbital period of a planet is the time it takes to complete one revolution around its star. The solar system consists of 8 planets. Each planet has unique characteristics in terms of size, composition, and orbital period. The planets are categorized into inner rocky planets and outer gas giant planets. Planet Q is a unique celestial body with distinctive geological features and an alien civilization. The uppercase Q is a distinct glyph characterized by a large circular form with a descending tail. The lowercase q mirrors the uppercase form, but with a smaller circular body and a tail extending below the baseline. A quasar is defined as a very bright and extremely distant celestial object. Quasars are located at great distances from Earth. Quasars emit significant amounts of energy, making them highly luminous. Quasars are powered by supermassive black holes. Supermassive black holes at the center of quasars accrete surrounding matter, releasing tremendous amounts of energy. The energy released by quasars makes them among the brightest objects in the universe. Planet R is a celestial body with a distinct reddish hue. The uppercase letter R is a prominent symbol. The lowercase letter r complements the uppercase form. A rocket is a vehicle designed for space travel. Rockets use powerful engines to overcome Earth's gravity. Space travel allows for exploration and discovery of celestial bodies. Rockets employ powerful engines to overcome Earth's gravitational pull. The engines generate thrust, propelling the rocket away from the planet's surface. Escaping Earth's gravity enables space travel and exploration. Planet S is introduced as a celestial body amidst a starry expanse. The uppercase letter S is presented as a prominent symbol associated with the planet. The lowercase letters complement the uppercase, illustrating letter case variation. The sun is the star closest to our planet. Stars like our sun are massive, luminous spheres layers of plasma held together by their own gravity. The sun provides light and heat, essential for life on planets within its solar system. The sun provides light to Earth, enabling photosynthesis and supporting life. The sun provides heat to Earth, regulating temperature and influencing climate patterns. Sunlight and heat are essential for Earth's ecosystems and natural processes. Planet T is a terrestrial planet. The uppercase letter T is introduced. The lowercase letter t is introduced. A telescope is an instrument that aids in observing distant objects by collecting electromagnetic radiation. Telescopes use lenses or mirrors to focus light and create magnified images of celestial bodies. By gathering and focusing light, telescopes enable the observation of objects that are too faint or distant to be seen with the naked eye. Telescopes are instruments used to observe distant objects. Telescopes can be located on Earth or in space. Both terrestrial and space-based telescopes serve the purpose of astronomical observation. Planet U is an alien world with unique geographical features. The uppercase letter U is visually presented as a prominent symbol of the planet. The lowercase letter U is also displayed, reinforcing the planet's name and identity. The universe encompasses all existing matter, space, and time. It includes planets, stars, galaxies, and all forms of energy and matter. The universe is everything that exists. The universe is in a state of continuous expansion. Expansion causes galaxies to move further apart over time. This expansion is a fundamental property of the universe. Planet V is a violet-colored planet. The uppercase letter V is introduced. The lowercase letter v is also introduced. Voyager is a space probe. Space probes are unmanned spacecraft designed for deep space exploration. Space probes transmit data back to Earth, expanding human knowledge of the universe. The Voyager probes have journeyed beyond the boundaries of our solar system. Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 are the only human-made objects to reach interstellar space. These probes continue to transmit data, expanding our knowledge of the universe beyond our solar system. The letter W is presented in its uppercase form. The letter W is presented in its lowercase form. Both uppercase W and lowercase w represent the same phonetic sound. Planet W is a world inhabited by alien life forms. The environment of Planet W supports unique ecosystems. Planet W's inhabitants express their appreciation for their home. Planet W is abundant in natural resources. These resources include minerals, water, and forests. Natural resources are essential for the planet's ecosystem and inhabitants. Planet X is a xenolithic planet. The letter X is introduced in its uppercase form. The letter X is also presented in its lowercase form. X-rays are a form of electromagnetic radiation. Electromagnetic radiation includes a range of waves, from radio waves to gamma rays. Radiation measurement instruments detect and quantify electromagnetic waves. X-rays are utilized in astronomy for the investigation of remote celestial objects. Astronomical X-ray observation provides insights into the structure and composition of cosmic entities. X-ray astronomy enables the study of high-energy phenomena such as black holes and neutron stars. Planet E is visually represented in a distinct yellow hue. The uppercase Y is presented as a clear, bold visual element. The lowercase y complements the uppercase, showcasing lettercase distinction. A year is defined as the duration it takes a planet to complete one full orbit around its star. The orbital period, or year, varies for each planet depending on its distance from the star. The concept of a year is a fundamental unit of time based on celestial mechanics. Earth completes one full orbit around the Sun in approximately 365 days. This orbital period defines one Earth year, marking the time for seasonal cycles to complete. The Earth's orbit is elliptical, leading to slight variations in the planet's distance from the Sun throughout the year.